Can you be a lazy INTJ? Coming up in this video, my thoughts on it. What's up, Legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, where I help geeks, gamers, and creatives to play life better. If you're an INTJ and you feel that you are lazy, 1, you might be lazy. 2, you might be a different type. 3, you might actually be doing way more than you think and realize, and just still attributing yourself to be a lazy person. And I want to talk a little bit about the cognitive functions. Your dominant function, introverted intuition, I call this the visioning mystic. This is really saying like, it's telling you to get a longer term glimpse of the future, right? Scry out into the future and see where things are, shift your perspective, see things in a different way, access your unconscious mind, perhaps get an insight into where things are going or what it all really means. That's what you want to do, right? That's where you're going to spend a lot of time. And it feels good to do that, right? It kind of feels good to be in this crystallizing phase, right? Of getting an insight or whatever it is, waiting for the right thing to line up, waiting for your focus to go in the right direction or whatever it is. When that happens and you feel convicted about that, then you'll switch into the commander, extroverted thinking, and you'll start taking the actions to manifest that thing, to hatch, right? To make sure that you are taking the steps necessary to get to that vision, right? And a lot of it is about making sure that you have that vision in place first so that you know what you're working toward. And so you might be thinking that you're lazy, but you could actually just be stuck in this introverted intuition visioning phase and then continuously bouncing back to your tertiary function, introverted feeling, which I call the empath. It's about resonating with what is important to you and those like really strong feelings that give you conviction about things. So you might just be bouncing back and forth between those and kind of waiting for something to happen. And that could feel like laziness, right? Because you're not actually taking a bunch of actions like people expect someone who is not lazy to do, if that makes sense. So, if you want to change that, or if you're just curious about it, hopefully that gave you the answer. But if you want to change it, I suggest taking actions first so that you get more inputs, so that you get more like real-time feedback. So then you can more clearly understand what you want to do and where that longer term vision and the foresight and all that stuff is going to take you. And I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know down below in the comments what helped you out. And get into that commander, start taking actions, start adventuring if you want to get past that lazy feeling. And let us know what you do. Keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace. La 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 la.